Every day I'm enjoying my training. It's working hard every day and like a mix for me. Hard work and funny work. It's my second week training. I'm enjoying my time in this gym because this year I hope is very good for future for me. Last couple of days is easy because I had just 2 hours, 2 and 3 hours. It is easy. Easy for me, not easy for anybody.
All those exercises are designed so that the fight becomes easy. They're designed so that the exercises are hard and the fight becomes just another day in the office.
I need everything, and I understand it's very important for me.
And he's got this drive that just pushes him. Something inside of him just pushes him.
Every day, like step by step. Every day I want to be like better. And all that, like little by little, like I bring a little bit more every day. This is my motivation.
And when he's in that mode, it's difficult on the rest of the guys, but they go right along with it. I mean, he's the leader here in the gym, and he makes sure that everybody does the necessary things and in the mindset of doing them towards a benefit, towards the future.
Easy for me, not easy for anybody.